Perfect. What's the last group? PDD NOS. You guys are in PDD NOS. Hop up there.
Alright. We have PDD NOS. I don't know what it stands for, but developmental reading disorder. It's like impaired development of word recognition skills diagnosed through academic achievement. Referred to as dyslexia, characterized by omissions, distortions, and substitution of words, and slow reading. Its prevalence is school-age children from 2 to 6, or 2 to 8.
2 to 8%?
Yeah.
Okay, well, okay. We had to like pick 3, but there's like a bunch of different like things that could be. So these are just examples. Okay. Developmental arithmetic disorder. It's impaired development of the arithmetic skills that are not explainable by mental retardation, hearing or visual defects. And you could have linguistic, like math words, or perceptual attention, and just regular mathematical skills. The prevalence is unknown, but it's less common, and it's not like familial. And a possible cause of this could be inadequate schooling.
Another example is the developmental receptive language disorder. It is impaired development of language comprehension. Diagnostic, mild cases, difficulties in understanding particular types of words, and in severe cases, inability to understand basic vocabulary or simple sentences. Prevalence would be school age of children of 3 to 10%.
Okay, the similarities for all of them is impaired learning, and it's frequently found in school-age children. That's it.
Perfect. Nice job. Don't worry, not everyone. Okay, so PDD-NOS stands for pervasive developmental disorder not otherwise specified. So if you have pervasive developmental disorder, autism falls under that, Asperger's falls under that. Pretty much what PDD-NOS is that it is a learning disability, but it is just a reading disability, so it may be more focused. Yeah, I'm good. Sarah. Okay, so PDD-NOS is going to be something that's a little bit more focused. So it may be you just have a reading problem.
Okay.
Yeah, you're fine. You might have a writing problem. It could be math focused. I mean,
It said it's due to not schooling. How can that disorder just be because you're uneducated?
because if you are uneducated, your learning ability for that is going to slow down. Your ability to learn. You learn through school how to learn. You're not going to learn. I mean, yes, you'll learn like observational learning outside of school, but how to learn, you don't learn outside of school. Homeschooling is still education. So
But how can that be a disorder?
how is that a disorder? It's because it slows down your ability to learn. So you are going to fall behind in certain things.
Like if you've never like swimming, if you've never swum. What is it?
Swam.
Swam. Your
Swimmed.
whole life, you'll say, yeah, they have a lessened ability to swim because they can't learn it now, but you don't have a disorder in swimming.
You don't. This is more going to be based on academic skills. So we're talking,
It's like malnutrition.
yes. So it's going to be things that you're not going to pick up how to read, how to write, that kind of stuff. Swimming is just bodily functions in the sense of learning how to control your body in water. If you have an actual physical body disability, it's not going to be an intellectual disability. It's going to be more, you might have Down syndrome or cerebral palsy something that affects your muscular system.
I just don't see a lack of something to make it a disorder.
I mean, if you fall behind but you're at, let's say I was never taught how to read. My parents didn't teach me how to read. I was never educated how to read, but I'm 22 years old. I have an intellectual disability because I can't read at even the level of a first grader.
Okay.
So it's going to take me a
So
while.
it's not necessarily,
It can be overcome.
but it's not necessarily like something that's wrong. It's just
Not
you're
necessarily.
Okay.
There could be something wrong. It may be dyslexia or something like that affects the way you read. So it may be something other than autism or something like that. So